2015 2018 Toyota Yaris USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2016 Toyota Yaris. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB auxiliary port right here. Basically, you want to get something like this plastic pry bar tool. I'll link it below. This is so it won't scratch your dash. You could use a small flathead if you want, but you might risk scratching your dash. But what you want to do is come underneath it and pry in between the USB port and the dash. And then once it pops out, it has these little plastic springs on the top and bottom that pops out. You can just gently grab it and kind of just, guide it out. And then there's a little connector with a thumb tab. Push the thumb tab down and pull the connector backwards. But be careful with this wire harness because it's going to want to jump back into the dash. So put something in its way so it can't go back in. Here's our USB auxiliary port. Here's the part number. Yours may or may not have one on it, but this is the official part number right here, Toyota. Now, if you go to the Toyota website, they sell it for about $128, which is a lot, I think. But it fits the 2015 to 2018 Yaris. Unfortunately, this is not sold on Amazon. You'll see a bunch that look exactly like it, but unless that part number matches up in the description, it's not going to work right. That's just how it is, unfortunately. I'll link below what's available. When you get your new one, all you got to do is plug it in. The connector should just snap right in, and then all you got to do is just push it in place. It'll lock in place just with the same orientation that it came out, and that's it. So hopefully you didn't scratch your dash or nothing, and that's all I got for you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.